Hi, my name is Catherine and I'm a craftaholic. Welcome to my craft room and to my channel. So this is my first WIPs and UFOs vlog. I have a cat purring on my lap. It's JD, it's my black girl. She's 13 years old, and whenever I'm in my craft room, she's with me. She's on my lap or on my beads, or she's chasing some beads around on the floor, but she's good company. So my first whip I can show you is this Dreamcatcher. I followed a tutorial on YouTube. There are many Dreamcatcher tutorials. This is a very basic one. I put a Swarovski button in the middle, and I have only to add some strings to it with beads of Swarovskis probably, and maybe also some feathers or shells. For this Dreamcatcher, I use these little balls of cotton I get at Action. You can buy them in a 8-pack, I think, and each ball is 10 grams, 25 meters, which is perfect for projects like this, or for amigurumi projects. It's fun to work with, and I actually like the softness of the cotton. It's not rough like cotton can be sometimes. Now when this is finished, it will get a nice spot on the wall next to the mandala. This is actually a recently finished object. I followed a tutorial by the Loopy Stitch on YouTube. I'll put the link down below. It was a very fun tutorial to do. It's 4 parts. It's a little bit challenging, especially when you have to work around the frame, the ring, but it's a very well done tutorial. I really enjoyed doing it. So that is for the hooking. I'm also working on a doily with thread. It's actually the first time I work with such thin thread, but I frogged it 3 or 4 times already and I'm still not happy. So I'm just gonna take another pattern, so I don't really have anything to show. It's just not okay. So that's it for the yarn. What else am I working on? As for painting, I am working on this right now, and it's part of a 4 I don't know, what do you call that, 4 pieces, and it basically represents the 4 seasons. This is winter, it's finished. This is spring. It's abstract, so even if I hold it upside down, it doesn't matter. This is summer. And now I am working on fall or autumn. It's not done yet. I think it's a bit too much red, not enough yellow, maybe a little bit more green. We'll see what happens and where the paint takes me. I'm gonna continue working on this Saturday, and maybe I have a finished painting to show next week. Who knows? Well, if not, it will still be a whip. I'm actually having a pretty busy crafty week, because Saturday is usually, whoops, it's usually painting day, but Friday I also get to go to a quilting bee. Now quilting is one of those things in the boxes. I haven't stitched in 8 years. it's really bad. But as you know, the things in the universe can be perfect sometimes. A few weeks ago, my teacher started to organize quilting bees again, very close to my home, and I mean, of course I went, and of course I'm gonna go. So I'm working on this right now. It's pockets of posies. Now this is the part that was done already and in the boxes. Now I'm gonna have to add the 2 rows of, I think it's this way, 2 rows of log cabins. And this is actually gonna be a very, very large plate. And I'm pretty excited that I started working on it again. I forgot how much fun it is, and it's been such a long time since I quilted or since I did patchwork. Even the measuring and cutting part was entertaining, but I'm sure that that's gonna wear off pretty fast because I remember how that was the tedious part. But a very essential part is the measuring. It's measure twice, cut once. It truly, truly applies. And then, yeah, well, that's basically it for WIPs and UFOs. I am working on a Tunisian crochet, no, Turkish crochet, sorry, Turkish crochet necklace. I know that some people are interested in a tutorial about that. So I'm gonna make a tutorial of Turkish crochet with beads. This is the end result of Turkish crochet. Now this one is with Swarovski beads. It makes this really, really nice cord with beads and seed beads. If I hold it in front of the camera, maybe it will work. There you go. That's not focusing. Maybe I need a white sheet. Hold on. There we go. Yes, it's really not showing up perfectly, but the colors aren't that easy to pick up either, and it's a bit shiny. But there will be a tutorial about the Turkish crochet necklace. And then I am very excited about this. I'm gonna end this video now and start another one, and it's gonna be my first cat tries video because I've been obsessed with spinning, yarn spinning, not the crazy exercise on the bike with really loud music. No, the spinning of yarn. I've been watching so many YouTube videos and I so want to do this. So I cracked. I went on Amazon and I ordered a hand drop spindle and some yarn. And I'm gonna film while trying this out. It's gonna be challenging. Maybe it's not my best first cat tries video, but I am very curious to see how that is gonna go. So if you're interested, I'll see you in the next video. And if you like my videos, I would say, like every YouTuber says, please like and subscribe. Click the notification bell if you want to be notified when a new video comes up. And I'll see you next time. Bye!